Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by forcing a hard shutdown. Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds until the machine powers off, then power it on and repeat until WinRe appears. Once in WinRe, choose Troubleshoot right arrow Advanced Options so you can access startup settings, system restore, and command prompt. Make sure you have a Windows 11 USB installer or a recent restore point available. These are your fail-safes if repair steps don't complete. Now move to the next recovery actions. Once you're in Advanced Options, select Startup Repair first. It fixes common boot problems automatically. If that doesn't resolve it, open Command Prompt and run dism to repair the component store, then SFC to repair system files. dism/online/cleanupimage/restorehealth, then SFC/scano. If a specific update is blocking boot, use Uninstall Updates in Advanced Options to remove the latest quality or feature update. These targeted repairs address corruption that leaves the system stuck in the update loop. After repairs, reboot to normal Windows and immediately open Settings, right arrow Windows Update to check update history. Pause updates for 7 days to prevent a repeat while you verify stability. If problems persist, choose Reset this PC and keep your files to reinstall Windows components, or perform a clean install from USB as a last resort. Make sure you back up documents and profiles before reset or clean install. That single precaution protects you if rollback or fresh installation becomes necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.